Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. My name is Arya Pedro Landoso and I came from SMA Negeri Tiga Bunta. I choose to stand on the pro side since AI contains not only to transform our daily habits, but it also teaches us how to think creatively and effectively. So let us move on the core arguments that I will present, starting with understanding the motion that has been provided. Next, we will find out meaning of the motion. The motion is, this house supports the aggressive integration of generative AI. For example, AG, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek. The main thing is the proportion side support that with speed, rapid, and large-scale integration of generative AI tools into education. The purpose, AI is not just an optional tool, but a main element in teaching and learning, as well as aggressive integration, or AI. Means AI must be applied thoroughly and strongly in school, universities, and other educational institutions. There are lots of reasons. Example, real evidence that using AI will make things easier if used correctly. For example, personal learning. Every student has different learning styles, visual, auditory, and practical. AI can adapt listen to their individual needs. For instance, AI can give extra exercise to struggling students or advanced challenge to fast learners. But what we need to remember everyone is that even though AI makes our tasks easier, we should not be fully dependent on it. Not everything we do must always rely on AI technology. If we overuse AI, it may reduce our critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and human creativity. Therefore, we should use AI technology only according to our actual needs. If something can be done by ourselves, then we should do it without relying on AI. Because if AI is developed too far, it could become a tool for more advanced cyber crimes or for spreading disinformation through technology such as deepfake. I want to reaffirm that I will support this motion. Thank you.